Good afternoon, everyone. So, myself Nandini, I am a student of Maharani Science College. So, first and foremost, what I learned and how it was helpful for my future, because I am currently working in Ultras Technology, which is completely a corporate field, and this had a great impact that I had to build up in my career aspect.
Unnati got started in the year 2003 to help the youth 18 to 25 from a very underprivileged background. In a one-liner, if you see, it is a training cum social transformation program with training in English, life skills, values, computers and the vocation, with a guaranteed placement at the end of the training.
Unnati, because of its experience, introduced in these government colleges under the title UNXT. When I say UNXT, it could be Unnati Next, or to the youth, you are the next person to be transformed, each individual. This is a very special program which is conducted in the government colleges during college days. The timing could be adjusted accordingly. It could be early morning 7 to 10 or 3 to 6 or 2 to 5, depending on the college timings. All we require is the basic infrastructure of the college. Our trainers go there, deliver the program free of cost to the government colleges youth. At the end of their final year, we facilitate placements. We do job fairs, we ensure companies come. We have seen that most of the people who actually want a job after the final year are able to get a job through Unnati because of our intervention.
Hello, I'm Veena from Government Science College. I'm principal of this college. We have just concluded the training program which was conducted by Unnati Foundation. It was a very good program. We had valedictory function, and all the teachers could see the change in the attitude of the students. They were very motivated. They were looking forward to few more days of training. We have just concluded 30 days of training. In a college, these kind of programs are very, very essential, because most of the time we will be focusing on their academic skills. But this is one such program where all the other skills will be looked after, and they'll be trained, and whatever they have learned, that will remain with them till the end of their lives. It's a very good initiative by Unnati Foundation. I wish more number of colleges come forward and arrange this kind of training for their UG students. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Government First Grade College, Hiryadka, Department of Commerce, Placement Cell, collaboration with Unnati UNXT, profession-oriented skill enhancement training program for the final year BA and BCom students. In this information era, it is very important for one, especially for the students, to have a set of skills outside the prescribed syllabus to deal and succeed in the real life. Hence, this program is of utmost importance.
Hello, I am Mallikarjun, Electrician JTO Government at Bidar. On behalf of Unnati Foundation Bangalore, a free of cost soft skill training is conducting in our institute since more than a year. Now has been imparted tremendous change in our institute trainees.
So, my name is Balaji, hails from Rajajinagar. I'm studying Government Arts College. Right now I'm pursuing a final year BCom. This is UNX. Before 30 days attending UNX. So what I'm trying to say is, I was not able to communicate anything. I wasn't able to communicate. I couldn't able to frame any English sentence at all. Today I can speak. I can frame at least a sentence. So because of UNX. In these 30 days, we learned stress management. We learned how to be confident. We learned many things. Stage fear. We eradicated totally stage fear. Everything we eradicated. That given by the Joel sir and Kala ma'am. I'm very thankful to him and herself. To her. So today, In interview, I have a ability to speak. I have a ability to take a job because of UNXT.
Hi friends, this is Deepthi from Bangalore. I have studied my 10th standard. After that, I was not able to go further. So one of my aunties, she told about the Unnati to join and you will have a good career. So after that, I joined here. And before, you may think now how nicely I am speaking English, but my English was very bad before joining to Unnati.
My name is Vaishnavi. I am from Andhra Pradesh. First of all, before Unnati, I cannot understand anything. I cannot learn English. But now I am speaking English this much. First of all, I thanks to my sister and my friend. She is one of the students in 64th batch. She said to me, if you go to Unnati, you learn many things and you improve your skills and communication. That's why I am coming to Unnati.
Hello everyone, I am Suprita. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science in Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics in Maharani Science College for Women. Today I am here to tell my experience. So first of all, I would like to thank our beloved Principal Ramgopal sir and our Placements and Coordinator Jagshilan sir for organizing such a program in our college. We used to start our session with affirmations. Those affirmations are the positiveness which creates in us throughout the whole day. We used to feel so positive, we used to be so active, and the early morning sections made us more active about it. After affirmations, it used to be assembly topics. In assembly topics, we used to get each topic, so everyone gets a stage to tell about their experiences or their thoughts about that particular topic. So it was good to listen to each and every student's views on it. So that was one good experience. After that, we used to have session topics. Session topics like stress management, time management, psychology, and there were many other topics which were done. They were all so interesting to learn. We would have read all those in books, but when we read in books, we won't get such experience. But when there's someone to teach you and when you learn it, you will learn it with more interest and you will think, oh, I could have done that at that particular time when I experienced it. You just get that thought when you're learning it. So we all had really very, very good experiences in all these classes. Next, coming to class, we all were college mates, neighboring classmates and old classmates, but we used to not know much about each other. But when we came to this class here, everyone got a chance to speak on the stage. So most of them lost their stage fear, they overcame the stage fear and they used to tell about everything, and we got to know. Apart from our own experiences, there were many things we learned. So that was one good experience. And in the last, what I wanted to tell was about interview. We didn't know much about what will be in interview, what they'll ask, how to go and face the interviewer, or how to go and face an online test with aptitude, verbal ability and all. But when our instructor said that it will be in this way, you can solve it in this way, they gave us instructions for each and everything. So that was kind of motivating us to go and attend the interview. We attended one interview, and me and my friend, we are really thankful and happy to tell that we got selected in Infosys company with help of our instructors and all. So this was really a very good program.
After Unnati skill training,
we are honest.
we are ready to face any challenge. We are good listeners.
We care for our society.
We value time.
We can think critically.
We are confident.
We are positive. We respect everyone.
We can speak in public.
One thing is sure. We are future leaders.